For the plant I/O or the I/O configuration, all the points that are pertain to our data collection application are listed in this DCA pseudo point listing. So let's take a quick look at the DCA pseudo point listing. What you will find in here is from 0.97 digital inputs onward. Why 0.97? Because like I said in the hardware video, there is 3 digital input cards. Each digital input card has 32 digital inputs. So that means that the first 96 digital input points are reserved for the hardware terminated points from the field up to the D25. Okay, so point number 97 will show you if the HC11, which is on the main board from the hardware video, whether it is on or off, or is disabled, or has a buffer overflow. All of these states will be specified in here. So it shows you about all the available digital outputs, analog inputs, so all the analog alarms and analog outputs for the DCA configuration. So all of these points are available in here. Okay, and then we go into our DC configuration. Now what we're doing is we're populating our DC section of the ordering code. So from the ordering code, we have 613U, or there is no analog input port that can be added in the future. We have number 9, which means that we have a 32 control phase 40 on the background of it. We have 32 digital inputs, only one card. Okay, what's the impact of that once we configure it like this, 091000? So what happens is this 1 in here turns into 32 digital input points, and the rest of the points will be unavailable, even though it will still reserve those 96 digital input points, just in case in the future you added that card to your D25, but it will show you only the first 32 as available points. Okay, the same for the digital output points. Right now it will show you that some of the points, the 32 digital output points, all on. There is no analog input, but if you enable the analog input in the ordering code, then it will allow you to edit. And this is the place where you can start to add your termination. So if this is connected to your transformer alarm, high alarm, low alarm, right, then that's where you would start to add your termination naming. Okay, that's as far as configuring the DC component of the I/O card, right? You can also configure the AC component. So if you remember from the hardware video, we said at the bottom of the D25 there is these little modules that are CT and VT, current transformer and voltage transformer, that are AC component that act as an AC component of the D25. So we can go into the AC configuration. So in the hardware interface, we configured this part of the ordering code and the memory part. In the DC of the I/O, we configured this part of the ordering guide, of the ordering code. Now we're finalizing and we're configuring this part of the ordering code. So this part can be set up as per the ordering code to C, H, that will give us 120 volt PT at 2.5 nominal, 5A CT at 16 nominal. We're not using any of the other slots, we're leaving them for a future expansion. CHUU. So now we have completed our ordering code inside the IO 613091003CHUU. You can go ahead and lay out how these points are connected. So I can select buses, right? How many circuits are we talking about? Then we can assign each current transformer to which phase it's connected, and each voltage transformer PT, right? And you can decide for each bus what's the nominal phase voltage. Is it line to line or line to neutral, right? So all of this can be specified in this interface. Accordingly, the points will be enabled. So as our AC points that are connected with these circuits will be enabled as we enable a configuration. So again, if we go 1 and I connect this to CT0, CT1, CT2, and PT1, PT2, and PT3. So we go to the I/O configuration, it's enabled, right? All of these points, as you can see, are enabled. Okay, so let's disable all of this, right? We'll just set it to 0, take it all out, take it all out, right? And we just click OK. Now we have finished our ordering code for the I/O card, and all you need to do from this point is just populate in your point descriptions.